Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read can, cannot and should, should not. Now let's learn. Read the following conversation. I can dance well. What can you do? I can sing, but I cannot dance. Can and cannot. From the above conversation, we learn that can is used when we are able to perform a task, while cannot is used when we are unable to do something. Can का use जब हम कुछ कर सकते हैं और cannot हमारी inability को show कर रहा है कि हम वो काम नहीं कर सकते. Can expresses the ability to do something. Cannot expresses the lack of ability to do something. It can also be written as can't. Can का use हमारी ability को show कर रहा है और cannot हमारी inability को कि हम इस काम को नहीं कर सकते. I hope आपको ये clear हुआ होगा. This is your exercise. You have to practice it.